Quase.
Auza.
É bagastrete.
Sama ma tropa lá que dá tempo.
No, Ara, thank you. Thank you, sir. Slow down, though. Yeah. Keep down and fucking slow, man. You know what you're carrying over? Ha, I don't want these bitches to get out of my aircraft right now because I don't know what they're doing. Ah. Easy, man. Oh, bullshit. Wait a minute, okay? Wait, I'm coming. Let me help you a little bit. Yeah, I'm on the back right now. Whoa, here we are going back home right now. And don't forget, here's the boy Kensmith rechiel. You know, I've straight most today. It's trying to take in this fucking airplane to garage. Need to fix a lot of things on this airplane. So just trekking down the hills, you can see right now. So the truck got spoiled on the hillside, at the water side. So we couldn't take the truck going back home. Again, we have to keep off the truck, and as you can see, the towing with the motorbike and trying to, yeah, you can see it. It has gone so far, you can see it right now. So he's trying to make a hill climb with a motorbike. So I'm taking back the airplane back to the hangar. I